This video will be solving a question related to finite probability distribution. The question is to find the value of k such that the following distribution represents finite probability distribution. Yes, it is discrete, and we have to find mean and standard deviation. We know that p of x is called as probability distribution function or probability mass function. So probability distribution function, p of x is probability distribution function, thereby it has to obey these two things or these two laws. The first one is p of xi should be p of xi, or the probabilities should always be equal to 0 or greater than 0, and the sum of all probabilities should be equal to 1. So here all the probabilities are given, so let's add up all this. If we add up all this, the sum should be equal to 1. Okay, so let's write it. 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k is equal to 1. So adding all the k terms and adding all the non-k terms, so you'll get it as 4k plus 0.6 is equal to 1. If you send 0.6 that side, 4k is equal to 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So k is equal to 0.4 by 4 is equal to 0.1. So you have obtained the k values. Now we have to write the distribution table again with k values, updated k values. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 here. So here it will be 0.1. 0.1, k value is 0.1, 0.2, 2 into 0.1 is 0.2, 0.3 and 0.1. Yes. Now the next part of question is to find mean. So the formula for mean is x into p of x. So here summation I is equal to 1 to n xi into p of xi. Okay, so there are totally 6 terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So multiplying this and this, 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 and adding up all that, you would get the mean value. So mean x bar is equal to x1 into p of x1 plus x2 into p of x2, like that only, x6 into p of x6. So if you add minus 0.2 plus minus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.2 plus 0.6 plus 0.3. So if you add, you get the value 0.8, that is mu or x bar. So you have found out the value of mean. Now let's find the value of variance. So variance formula is summation I is equal to 1 to n xi whole square p of xi minus mu square. So here we have n value as 6 from 1 to 6. So let's square the x values and multiply it with p of xi. So substitute all the values in this equation, you'll get it like this, and finally you'll get the v value as 2.16. Now variance value is 2.16. We know that standard deviation is under root v, that is under root 2.16, you get it as 1.46 is the standard deviation value. I hope you have understood how to solve a discrete probability distribution related question, and if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.